the important thing is there's a lot of money that will be made from this net zero transition. And a lot of investment is needed, but then that investment will lead to a lot of returns on investment. And we're already seeing that happening around the world. Already we've seen a revolution in renewable energy technologies over the last 10 years. So we've gone from not having a renewable technology sector to having a global solar sector, a wind sector, electric vehicles are growing. So these new technologies, new industries are growing, and we need to think about how we fairly distribute the benefits from those transitions. So essentially, we need to make sure that government is thinking about how so we're not just replacing the oil barons with clean tech barons. So it's great people make a lot of money out of this and you want to reward innovation, but we shouldn't just be replacing one set of wealthy people with another set of wealthy people that can exploit and channel money into the right areas. You know, usually we talk about access to clean technology and how to make that affordable. It's actually also access to the ownership of clean technology. So how do we make the access to ownership of clean technology fairer and spread that?